Yes. What else? What's going on today, Mr. Elijah? Whoa, yes. We got some busy feet down here, don't we, Sonny? Wow, he's doing his stretches. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Woo. Yes, I know. Hey. He's at 4 months. He already says hi. This is his crib. He loves to play in his crib. What? You know you're on camera. You little show off. Whoa, Grumpy Pants. Look at those legs. Look at those legs. What? Okay, signing off.